How to sell on Amazon from Alibaba. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be teaching you on how you could sell different products on Amazon by using Alibaba as the source of your products. Now, if you don't know, Alibaba is also an e-commerce platform, but a lot of people are using this with the sole purpose of the products being super cheap. Like a lot of their products cost significantly lower than other products compared to, for example, eBay or even Amazon, as you can see here. So what we're going to be showing you is how you could start a store in Amazon where you sell different products but uses Alibaba as like the inventory or the source of products that you're selling, which will allow you to have a lot of earnings. And for example, we have this bike over here. On Alibaba, it's currently selling for at least $206. But in Amazon, for example, you could sell it for $399 or even $400, and you will have like $100 earning. That's basically the concept between making Amazon and Alibaba interact with each other. You're going to take advantage of the very cheap prices in Alibaba and simply add a reasonable price to it, add a reasonable addition to the cost, and start selling it on Amazon, wherein people will most likely buy it as it is because it's Amazon. People will think that this is a logical price for such item, and through that process, you could start earning a lot of money by simply selling and buying the product on Alibaba. Now, to be able to do this, of course, you're going to have to select a product in Alibaba, and you could create an account in Alibaba if you want, so that you could figure out or like have information about the supplier and like the way manufacturers work, how your products will be delivered, all of those information. You could create an account for that. And actually, yes, you do need to create an account because like I said earlier, the way this interacts is by using the products being sold in Alibaba, you could earn money in Amazon. So what I suggest you to do is create an account, and then you're going to download an extension. So you're going to download an extension called Alibaba Photo Downloader Extension. Research that, and then you have this image downloader over here. Then you could use this extension to download the different images available in Alibaba if you select a specific product. If you're searching for a specific product, searching products in Alibaba is very easy. You can simply search it over here on the top. For example, an iPhone 14, you could check out the product manufacturers or suppliers. For example, let's go with the iPhone 14. You could open that and you will be able to see all the information over here. You have your different filters over here on the left side, which will assure you to find the most reliable store, the most reliable products, so that you aren't also getting scammed in Alibaba. There's a lot of filters over here. You have the customizable, ready to ship, all suppliers and verified manufacturers over here. You have a supplier features like over here, as you can see on the left side. Let's wait for it to load, like the trade assurance, the verified suppliers. You can look for all of those. And there's also like suppliers in a specific country or management certification. All of those, these are very important because of course, if you're trying to sell in Amazon, you need to also give quality products. Just because the products are cheap doesn't mean you can just look for random products online and use that as the product that you would like to sell in Amazon. So for example, we have this product over here, a phone case. We could open this one, and it only costs $1.20 per piece. You could start selling this, for example, $5, I guess, depending on your preferences, because it has a lot of features like this one. And what you need to do now is you're going to register this specific product in your Amazon. So basically, go to sell. After you log in, set up your store, all of those stuff. Then when you're registering or listing a specific product in that step, you can now go back here. You're simply going to either copy this entire title over here, or you could make your own title, make it unique, make it identifiable, or actually make it a name of the brand so that they know that that is the specific name. And then you could copy or download the images that you have over here using the extension that I showed you earlier. You could download this image, You can see you could download this, all of this image, and use that to upload it on your Amazon store. And you could put in the different information like the compatibility model, the colors, the different variants, all of those stuff. Then you could copy the description over here, the overview, the product details. You could copy all of those information that you think are very useful. You could copy them, then paste it on your product description on Amazon. Basically, you're going to duplicate this entire page over here with all of its information into your Amazon store so that you could make it as accurate as possible, so that when people read the description, they're actually going to be aware that this is the specific product that they're getting, and there won't be any issues because that is also the product being advertised in Alibaba. As you can see here, you can simply copy all of this things that you are seeing right now, which will allow you to have a similar or a duplicate product in Amazon. And then once someone orders from you, let's say that's the situation, like I said earlier, also there's no direct communication between Alibaba and Amazon. So when someone orders, it won't automatically push through. Like, you won't automatically be able to receive that product. You're just simply going to have it, and that will be going to be remaining on the order section of Amazon, where like someone orders this product and then you have to process it. Now what you need to do after you got that is you're going to go to Alibaba, of course, and you're going to order through the shop over here. Like, you're simply going to buy the product. You're going to create an account, buy the product, enter the information of your customers, like their address, their name, their contact, put it over here in Alibaba, and basically reorder it in Alibaba, and then it will be delivered on their place, and then you will be able to earn money in Amazon. And that's basically how you could pull off selling products in Alibaba and Amazon. That is how you could connect them together. You're simply going to have the different information of your customers and put it into Alibaba and make them deliver the product and process the product themselves. So you could think of it as like a drop shipping, but more on a manual drop shipping and not the automatic drop shipping wherein a lot of other e-commerce platforms are doing. But it's still a good potential. There's a lot of potential for this to work because it's Amazon. A lot of people are using Amazon, and there's a very large customer base, a very large range of customers. So you will be able to earn a lot, but you have to sacrifice doing things manually, which is a small price for the opportunity or the ability of Amazon to start giving you a lot of sales. And you can do this to a lot of different products. You don't need to stick with one type of product. You could add as many products as you want, as long as you're willing to do the different processes, keeping track of it, and keeping up with the information, updating the prices, all of those information. You have to be very manual, especially if you have a lot of product. It's going to take a lot of time to manage all of those information. And after that, of course, after a few sales, you will be able to notice right away your earnings. And although I think the only issue with Alibaba is that their delivery time is a bit longer than usual, or like compared to other e-commerce, it takes way longer in Alibaba because of course there is a big traffic with Alibaba because a lot of people are buying through this platform as well, because of the same reason wherein it is cheaper in Alibaba. So a lot of people are bulk buying and buying so much stuff, so your orders might get delayed or it might take a while to arrive, but it will arrive. And that's the only thing I noticed about Alibaba. Amazon is great, yes. What you're going to explain as well, I suggest that you add when you create your product, you add to the description that you are outsourcing it or drop shipping it from Alibaba, so that at least they know where their product is coming from. And you didn't keep the information, it's in the description. They wouldn't be able to do anything against you if they didn't like that you got it from Alibaba, because you did add it to the description. It will be their fault for not reading the description. And so that's it, guys. That is how you will be able to connect Amazon and Alibaba together. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.